Rachel and Doug Swartstrom here in front of our newest listing at 100 Bottlebrush, and we are on the adjacent trails between Shady Canyon and Quail Hill.
This is a truly special property. It's at the end of the cul-de-sac on Bottlebrush. It's right in the center of Quail Hill. It's a gorgeous 4-bedroom, 5-bath home with a home theater, a lot that is over 6,600 square feet, and the home itself is 3,600 square feet.
So feel free to follow us on social media and call us for a private tour.